So FN2 in for an Ecutek custom map today at Dynodaze with all the features and all the bells and whistles, and we've got some modifications. In fact, we've got one modification. It's the CPL Big Bore induction kit, which goes just down into that wing there. It's a lovely bit of kit that. In standard form, I think it's going to make about 206 brake, but it might make a bit more than that. So we'll have a look, and then we shall get mapping.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves real fast. You also have to look around once in a while. You can miss it.
The FN2 is mapped. Richard's worked his magic using the Ecutek software. We've got feature maps, etc. Check my hat out, that looks good. I like that. Yeah, so features are all on there. So launch control, flat foot shifted, auto blip, switchable custom maps, valet mode, anti-theft. That's all on there. Well done, Richard. Richard looks excited about this. Points. What's that? Points mean prizes. Points mean prizes. Unless you're speeding, then it means fines. So there we go. So there's the graph, and you can see the gains that we've made in the mid-range. We've made gains across the rev range. Not massive peak power to be made, but this section here in the middle at forward a bit onwards, big gains. That's what he's going to feel on the road, as obviously the VTEC crossover is lowered, and then we've got these gains here, so it's going to feel a bit more punchy. But the car is on, as Richard says, the car is on a standard exhaust system. We've only got one modification on this, and it's an induction kit. Plenty more gains to be had with the right modifications. You guys know they're all available here, so get yourself on the website if you need any parts. But yeah, job well done. Lovely car, low mileage car. Not many of these about anymore. Yeah, thanks guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. Someone is going to win a hat that I am wearing. Who wants to win a hat? Everyone wants to win a hat.
fast.